Good afternoon. My name is Maria Teresa Martinez Sicorro. I am a UNEDEM student, and this is a work from the subject Inglés Básico en Nutrición. What are the 9 most popular diets present by the article? According to this article, the 9 most popular diets are the Atkins diet, the Sun diet, the ketogenic diet, vegetarian diet, vegan diet, Weight Watchers diet, South Beach diet, raw food diet, and Mediterranean diet. What is a diet according to the article? A diet is a fixed plan of eating and drinking where the type and amount of the food are planned out in the order to achieve weight loss or follow a particular lifestyle. Mention 2 principal characteristics of each of the 9 diets. The Atkins diet. This diet focuses on controlling insulin levels. In this diet, carbohydrates are avoided and a lot of protein is consumed. The Sun diet. This diet aims for a nutritional balance of 40% carbohydrates, 13% fats, and 30% proteins each meal. It also controls the level of insulin but allows the consumption of carbohydrates of good quality. Ketogenic diet. This diet is characterized by reducing the intake of carbohydrates and increasing the fat intake. The diet causes the breakdown of fat deposits for a full and creates substance called ketones through a process called ketosis. Vegetarian diet. This diet focuses on food with vegetables. There are various types of vegetarians: lacto-vegetarians, fruitarian vegetarians, lacto-ovo-vegetarian, living food diet vegetarian, ovo-vegetarian, pesco-vegetarian, and semi-vegetarian. Vegan diet. Veganism is more of a way of life and a philosophy than a diet. A vegan doesn't not eating anything that is animal-based. Weight Watchers diet. Weight Watchers is a huge company with branches all over the world. This company offers diets focused on losing weight through diet, exercise, and sport network. South Beach diet. This diet focuses on the control of insulin levels and the benefits of unrefined slow carbohydrates compared to the fast carbohydrates. Raw food diet. The raw food diet involves consuming foods and beverages that are not processed. It's completely based on plants and ideally organic. There are 4 many types of raw food diets: raw vegetarians, raw vegans, raw omnivores, and raw carnivores. Mediterranean diet. This diet focuses on consuming daily plant foods, fresh fruits for desserts, beans, nuts, whole grains, seeds, olive oil, cheese, and yogurt, and moderate amounts of fish and poultry, small amounts of red meat, and quantities. What is the Western style diet? The Western style diet is in which a large amount of sweet and fried foods are ingested, which increase the risk of disease. In your opinion, which one or which ones are the best options to treat a patient? Explain your answer. I believe that the best diet is the Mediterranean because it is the most balanced, it does not carry risks, and helps improve health. Thank you so much. Good afternoon.